Okay, so I was gonna do a voiceover on this one, but I said, knowing me, I am not gonna end up doing the voiceover. So anyway, I have I think this is an 8-inch rose vase, I believe they call it. Let's double check. I can tell you right now. I got it from San Diego Floral Supply, and it is an 8-inch rose vase. Okay, and I paid $2.50 for this. All right, but I have a floral, a discount. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our osmosis, what is this called? Tape? I can't even think right now. Sorry, you guys, but we're going to take this tape and we're just going to make our tic-tac-toe. So this is something that you can, I use tic-tac-toe because of the fact that I'm delivering stuff, and in the car it shakes. So that my stuff can get to where it needs to go and still look halfway decent. This is what I do. And sorry if you guys hear that humming sound. I have a floral refrigerator. She is so old. She has been through so much, moved about 3 or 4 times. And so she had just got a new fan because it went out. Oh, well, she had her compressor went out too, but it's really loud. So anyway, so I did the tic-tac-toe, and then what I'm going to do is to also secure it really well. We are going to just go around like this. All right, you guys, and now I'm going to add I don't feel like going to the sink and getting water, but I'm going to add water, and this is not enough. All right, so we added in water. And then we're going to add in a little bit of food. Okay, and so I just have a little bit of food, and we're going to add that in there. I don't even have any more left. Okay, so we have that in. So this arrangement is from, let's see, Avis Flowers. And so it has 5 pink. Okay, let's put some greenery in it first before we even get started. So I have lemon leaf, and I like long stems of it. I like petite stems too. I don't like them to be too big. So if you can see, these stems are kind of, the petals are kind of small. And so I'm just going to stick it in as such. Let's see. I should move it back a little bit. And so put in as such, because what I noticed is that these wiring service, the people who order from there, they don't care well, they do care what it looks like, but a lot of times they just value how big it is. And unfortunately, greenery is what make it look big, because they don't give you a lot for this. So the recipe said for 5 pink roses. So let's get that. So we have my lovely, lovely pink roses, and all I'm going to do is I do take off the leaves and then cut at an angle and I stick one. I kind of cut that too short. Let's put that on the outside. I stick one in the center. I hope you guys can see. Stick one in the center, then I stick 5 on each, the other 4 on each corner. So 1 in the center and on the corners. This one right there. Okay. I'll bring him up a little, push him a little down. Bring him a little up. Okay, so we have that right there. Then it's asking for 3 stems of spray roses. So here are my spray roses. I'm going to grab of these bad boys. 1, 2, 1, 2, and 3. And so then I'm just going to cut at an angle again, and I put the 3 kind of like in the spaces that the flowers aren't, the roses aren't. So right there, and then our final, you know, this is kind of nice and big, so I'm cut that off a little bit, stick this one in that corner, and then stick this one, and even though it's a little right there. Okay, so now we have our flowers in their appropriate spots. Then it's calling for 3 mini carnations, pink mini carnations. So here is the pink mini carnation, and so we're just gonna get 3 stems of that. And then once again, I'm gonna kind of tuck this in more towards the center. Let's see, got that, and let's put this one right here. So we got that in there. Then it's asking for pink Masimoto. Let me see, I think I have some. And I do have some pink Masimoto. And we're just gonna probably put about 3 stems of this in here to give it a little color. Oh, let me close that because it's loud. And I kind of take off, so see, put it in there. I kind of take off the greens as much as possible, because when they're in the water, sometimes they mess your flowers, and I mean mess the flower. Don't let the flowers last as long. So yeah, let's see. Let's get this right in there. Let's put probably about 2 more. So I put one more stem, and I kind of separate them. And then I'm gonna put one right here, and let's put something right there, and one more right in the hole right there. Got it? Okay. So I kind of like to bring my stuff a little, make it more of a round, but we're going to put a little bit of like, see right here, we'll just stick some greens to kind of make it kind of go in. Okay, so we have that together. Now it's saying put a lot of purple status, so we're going to take this, and we're going to take this purple status and kind of cut it, and we're just going to stick it in. See? Especially in spots where you feel like, oh, it needs a whole, you know, it needs something. And at this point, it is so nice and tight. I love it, but it's actually for a lot. So all I'm going to do is go ahead and finish. Now this one, this costs $62.99 with and you only get about 75% of it, and that's including your delivery fee too. So so the roses, let's estimate, the roses cost us about I pay $18 for 25 of them, and I'll give you guys a total too. The spray roses, how much do I pay for spray roses? I think spray roses about 10. They're like $1 stem. Let's say everything is about $1 stem. The vase was $2.50. We had 5, 6, 7, 8. Did 9, 10. It's about 11. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's about $11 to make this, give or take. I'm gonna really calculate it up when I go and see. And then I normally pay. So if you order through my website, and I think through them too, they also charge for delivery fee, but they don't give you any money for delivery. And I think that's kind of crappy, because I don't think they give free delivery to folks. So I think they're making money off of that too, which is kind of crappy. But that is basically the whole legit of everything. I'll show you a picture of our lovely flower when we are done. And thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I'll be having in a next couple of weeks, I'll have on my website where you can purchase tool belts, clippies, knives, and let's see, aprons or aprons, tool belts, and anything like that, so you guys can know. I'm trying to get as you guys can see behind me, the floral arrangements. I'm trying to get that too. But you guys know, one thing bad about me is that I'm everywhere. I mean, I'll be doing some of everything and not following through on what I really need to do. And I know a lot of people are always asking me, where do you get this from? Where do you get that from? And I think it'll just be easier for you guys just to get it right there from me. So anyway, I hope you guys like this video again. Like the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel. And you guys have an amazing, amazing day. And I'm going to show you what it looks like when we're done. Bye.